Hello guys, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very useful website from where you can download whatever software you want for free. Yes, you can download the free softwares easily. You can able to download multiple software at once, whatever you need, like Google Chrome, OBS, and there are lots of softwares with updated version. You can easily download, you can easily access, and the website is totally accessible with screen readers, either you use JAWS or NVIDIA. So if you want to like this type of videos, don't forget to press the like button. Do share this video with your friends, and if you have visit this channel first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button. You can join us on Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. So let's start today's episode. So the website name is Ninite.com. So I have already opened my Google Chrome. Here I am just going to type Ninite.com. That is NINITE.com. I will share the website link in the video description, so please check it out. So I'm pressing enter on it.
Ninite installer update multiple apps at once. Google Chrome. Ninite install.
So Ninite installer multiple updates. So here we can find all the applications. So let me use down arrow to see what is the interface of this website.
Navigation region. Visited link graphic Ninite.
So I'm slowing down.
Slower. List of 4 items. Link help. Link feedback. Link Ninite
feedback. Pro. Ninite Pro.
Faster.
So Pro is there some other things like paid plan.
Link sign into Pro.
Sign into Pro.
List end. Navigation region end.
Okay, so you can also you don't need to sign in here. You just without signing you can download whatever software you want.
Heading level 1. We also have a page for screen reader friendly accessible apps at heading level 1 link ninite.com/accessible.
So here we can understand that
heading level 1. We also have a page for screen reader friendly accessible apps at
screen reader friendly accessible apps.
Heading level.
There are another software.
Heading level 1. Heading
Another
level 4.
page.
Install and update all your programs at once.
Okay, so install all your updates programs at once.
No toolbars. No clicking next. Just pick your
No
apps and go.
toolbars.
A Ninite installer
Yes.
traffic. Heading level 4. Always up to date.
Always up
You
to
don't have
date.
to watch for updates. Our bots do that. Here's what's new. View updated to 4.62. Friday at 5:46 p.m. Edge updated to 108.0.1462.46.
So you can check also the what are the common softwares updated. Edge, Microsoft Edge has an update.
Friday at 1 a.m. Spotify updated to 1.2.0.116.
Spotify updated.
Thursday at 2:50. Eclipse updated to 4.26.
Eclipse updated.
Wednesday at 8. Visual Studio Code updated to 1.7.
Visual Studio Code or VS Code updated.
Wednesday at 8 for link more news.
More news, so you can check the updated softwares, updated news from here.
Heading level 4. Trusted by millions.
Trusted by
We
millions.
install and update
Okay.
about 1 million apps. Link Ninite Pro. Subscribers.
Subscribers.
Link press. Likes us too. I'll bet the PC world. Ninite.com frees up your day. The Christian Science Month. This post can be fairly short because life. Heading level 3.1. Pick list of 13 items. Heading level 4. Web browsers.
Web browser. So this is now here from here the category started. So from first category is web browser. So you can download multiple web browsers at once. What to do? There are all the options are available. I'm pressing down arrow.
List of 4 items. Nesting level 1. Chrome checkbox not checked.
Chrome checkbox not checked. So you can just check this box checked. So for example, I'm just checking this.
Space. Ninite installer update multiple apps at once. Chrome. Fast browser by Google 108. Opera checkbox not checked. Fast browser by Google 108.0.5359.99. Opera checkbox not checked.
Opera.
Alternative browser 93.0.4585. Firefox.
Firefox checkbox not checked. So Firefox.
Extensible browser 107.0.1. Edge checkbox not checked.
Edge.
Microsoft Edge browse list. Heading level 4 messaging.
Okay, so now this is the messaging app.
Nesting level 1.
So I'm just going by down arrow. Zoom.
Video conference 5.
Video conference.
Discord checkbox not
Okay.
checked.
Discord.
Voice and text chat 1.0.9005. Skype checkbox not checked.
Skype.
Internet telephone 8.92.
Internet telephone.
Pigeon. Multi-IM
Pigeon.
client Thunderbird checkbox not checked.
Thunderbird.
Email reader by Mozilla 100 trillion checkbox not checked.
Trillion.
Trillion IM 6.5.0 list and nesting level. Heading level 4 media.
Now media.
13 iTunes checkbox not
iTunes, music/media manager.
VLC checkbox not checked.
VLC. So those who need VLC download, they can download.
Claim checkbox not checked. AIM. Music player Fuber 2000 music play Winamp check Winamp. Music player 5.
Winamp.
Music B check Music B. Music
Music
manager
B.
player 3.4.
Okay, so you will get all these things. So for example, I'm just choosing another.
Winamp check music player Fuber 2000. Music Winamp checkbox not checked. Space list with 13 items.
Now if I go if I press the B, then you can see
Get your Ninite Alt plus G button.
get your Ninite, or you can use Alt plus G. So for
Heading
example, I'm just pressing Alt plus G. Let's see what will happen.
Alt G. Get your Ninite Alt plus G button to activate. Press Enter. Alt plus G. Ninite Chrome Window unattended silent installer and updater. Copyright secure by design Inc. 1 region. 10 headings and 18
Check.
links. 1 smart.
The save dialog box is open. I'll show you.
File name. Edit combo. Ninite Chrome Window installer.x.
Ninite Chrome Winamp installer.x, which means a tool will be installed, a tool will be downloaded, and when you press enter on that tool, the both software will be installed, because this is the Ninite installer tool, which can be easier, which can help you to download multiple softwares, to install multiple softwares in one click.
Escape. Sign into.
So this is the benefit of Ninite.com. If you like this type of videos, if you like this video, please leave your comment into the comment section. I want to see your comments into the comment section. And this is for today. See you in the next video. Hopefully this video will be benefited for you. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.